Have you ever wondered how the presence of others impacts your performance? It's a fascinating area of study called social facilitation and inhibition. This concept has roots in the late 1800s and still proves relevant today. The story begins with Norman Triplett, a cycling enthusiast. He noticed something interesting: cyclists performed better in groups than alone. Curious, he conducted an experiment with boys turning fishing reels. Group performances surpassed individual efforts. He named this effect social facilitation. However, not all performance improved with others present. Sometimes, people performed worse. This is known as social inhibition. These two outcomes puzzled researchers for years. In 1965, Robert Zajonc provided clarity. His theory explained the interaction between task type and performance. When others are present, it raises our physiological arousal. This arousal boosts dominant responses we've mastered and perform automatically. Let's break this down further. For simple tasks, our dominant response is often correct. This helps us perform better, illustrating social facilitation. But for more complex tasks, our instinctive responses might not be correct. This leads to social inhibition instead. Zajonc's findings were profound. He discovered that mere presence can trigger these effects, even without advanced thinking. To support his theory, he and his colleagues used cockroaches in tests. If these simple creatures could exhibit social facilitation, it illustrated the fundamental nature of the effect. What about humans? A meta-analysis of 241 studies revealed crucial insights. This research involved nearly 24,000 participants. It showed that social presence has consistent, albeit small effects on performance, between 0.3% and 3% variability in outcomes. The impact varies based on task complexity and skill level. So, what does this all mean for you? Next time you find yourself in a group, pay attention to how it affects your performance. Are you shining in a familiar task but struggling with a new challenge? Recognizing this difference could enhance your performance based on your environment. Remember, the presence of others can influence our abilities in various ways. Stay mindful of this fact in social situations. Want to learn more about psychology? Subscribe for deeper insights into how our minds work. Let's explore together.